Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to go over this 2024 F-450. This is a chassis cab truck. And this gentleman hauls a big 3-car trailer, hot shop business, traveling up and down the coast. So it's a perfect truck to go over our 4-link suspension. Since we don't have a bed on here, it's easy to see what we've done. So throw away the factory leaf springs, we go to a 4-bag 4-link suspension. This does obviously gives you a much better ride, keeps the truck level too, so you don't have these 450s are pretty stiff springs, so they don't have a tremendous amount of sag, but they don't have much sag, which results in a really brutal ride on these. So switching over the air ride, you get a smooth ride. We also put a larger sway bar on this, 1 3/8 sway bar, and then our control packages, we run a pair of Haldex height control valves, one on each side. Same things used on semis, readily available parts. And then we put the control system in this side storage compartment. He's going to be running a lot of snow and icy roads, so we put it in here. It's going to make everything last so much longer, just because we have a cover that goes over this, but we took it off for it'll keep it a little bit cooler. But being enclosed in here, he's not going to be exposed to any salt or water spray. So good idea to put it in there. The dryer is going to keep the moisture out of the system, so that when he is traveling in the winter, he's not going to have to worry about air suspension freezing up and not coming up, to ride height. So this kit also has our Kelderman shocks. These are tuned for the maximum GVW on this rear axle. I don't know what it is top of my head, but I'm guessing it's 11,000 pounds range. And once you see the trailer, which we're gonna get a picture here in a minute, back up, hook on, you'll see why he's gonna be running every pound of that maximum GVW. The other thing that's cool is the brackets, the leaf springs are so heavy that you take off. We're not changing the weight of the truck all that much. I think it's not even 75-pound difference. So he's going to get a smooth ride, level ride, and be able to drive longer with less fatigue. What do you think, Andrew?
Well, this is pretty slick, dude. I haven't seen daylight in between my mud flaps in the ground in quite a while.
Yeah, this will be nice. It'll keep it level. And
that was my biggest complaint with the other vendor, is that it did what it was supposed to do to a certain extent. When I had this thing loaded down, it was just 2 hamburger buns with nothing in between it, dude, and it was dragging mud flaps everywhere. Which this is expensive and it touches the ground.
Yeah, well, then needless to say, it takes all the joy out of seeing the countryside if you're bitching about the ride.
Yeah, worried about something breaking, and this was, in my opinion, this is the only option.
Yeah, well, the cool thing is if you do have to put, you run that 4th vehicle on top with all that extra pin weight, it's not going to matter. I mean, this thing will take 7. I haven't measured completely, but I wouldn't be surprised, be afraid we're 9,000 pounds.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So I mean,
and you want to know what's going to stay the same? The gap in between.
Yeah, exactly.
The ground.
Yeah. So what's the name of your business, Andrew?
So I drive for Ricky Bobby Auto Transport.
Okay. So if you guys are looking for a guy to move your car from one end of the country to the other, call these guys and do air ride, man. That thing's gonna be smooth as silk.
Oh yeah.
The car's gonna show up perfect.
Yeah. Email even is better. dispatch@rickybobby.com.
That's easy to remember.
Easy.
Just give you a little shot of how you spell it right on the side of the door.
Oh yeah, shake and bake, baby.
Good deal. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.